Hello, I'm Bo from Sweden. Welcome to my channel about the WICS project. Today we will have a view over 4 new PCBs. We won't waste any time, so let's start. This is how it looks on my layout today, hidden under the railway station. This is only for some of the block sensors. I have a couple of such connection points on top of the layout, hidden under buildings. Then I have most of the cables and electronics under the layout. Let's start by cleaning everything out and replace it with WICS PCBs instead. As you can see, much nicer and extra space to use. Easy to install, easy to maintain. Only 2 incoming cables and 1 outgoing I2C cable. Connecting the I2C to the train station sign. And suddenly there's room for a 3-watt speaker as well. This video is presenting 4 PCBs that will help you to replace the cables. 2-layer 99.5 by 45 millimeters, and it's only $5 for 10 PCB at PCBWay. Using the Chow ESP32C3. It's cheaper than the S3 that I normally use, but since it's only for handling 4 block detector, the power is more than enough. 5-volt input. 4 NCE BD20 detectors can be connected. The NCE BD20 screw terminal is plugged on to the 2-pin header and then fastened. They will act as a foot when the PCB is mounted standing up. On the back, it's possible to add a L-shaped support. Both cables from the track is connected to the screw terminals. Then they are merged to one DCC power connector. This PCB handles 4 12-volt solenoid turnouts. Continue to use the Chow ESP32C3. Need both 5 and a 12-volt input. You can choose if you want to get the power from the IR system's power PCB, or if you want to replace the socket with screw terminals. Using the affected TB66 FNG module to handle the turnouts. It's have an additional I2C output designed to fit the PCA9685 with both 5 and a 12-volt B+. That's selected by the jumper. This PCB handles 6 universal sensors. It's a 2-layer PCB, 99.5 by 45 millimeters, $5 for 10. Still using the Chow ESP32C3, the cheaper one. The board needs 5 volt of power. Each input have a jumper to select the signal should be high or low. The logical signal can be between 0 and 15 volt, so you can connect a wide range of sensors. The power sensor input can detect if there is 12 to 15 volt power. You can power the PCB either from the IR system's power PCB or through the screw terminal, dependable if the PCB should be mounted standing up or laying down. The 5-watt and 2 I2C PCB is very useful on a train station area. Using the Chow ESP32S3, the one I normally use. Having a 5-volt power input. It's almost identical to the 3-watt MP3 board using the MAX 98357 MP3 module and having one RX480E remote receiver, both not supported in nowRail. So there will be WICS code for those PCBs. This PCB doesn't have a connector for a speaker switch. Instead, it's replaced with two I2C connections. Perfect for signs on the railway station together with a speaker that announcing the trains. nowRail version 2.3.1 have support for sending and receiving text strings up to 29 characters.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to sharing our next video with you. Until next time, take care and happy railroading.